When we talk about Magnet and we talk about TopCon software, one of the kind of central hubs to all this is the seamless workflow. The fact that all of the different components and all of the different systems are integrated into a seamless, consistent workflow. So let's take, for example, we have gone into Magnet Office and we've taken a CAD file and we have created a 3D model. We've done our takeoffs, our volume calculations. We've done all the work in the office. We're ready to get this out to the field. We can connect Magnet Office to the field. We can do that through Magnet Enterprise, which we've looked at in other videos, but also to SiteLInk. What I want to do is go into SiteLInk and establish the site. So I'm going to create a new site. Simple site 002 is what I'm going to call it. No job code. I could give it a code if I wanted. Tell it where the site is located. Set my units, time zone, other settings for this particular site. If I have data to upload at this point, I could. So if I already had the TP3, LN3, or GC3 files, I could upload those at this point. And I'll go ahead and create the access key. So my access code, I'll keep simple. And we will complete that process. I'm going to turn the map off, but I'll go back into Office. I will connect to that site. And then I'll use File Manager to upload the data. So we'll go to File Manager. We'll send the complete project up to SiteLInk. Once the upload is complete, I can make sure to send the localization as well. And then if I wanted, here inside of Office, I create the design sets as well as any tasks. So I'm going to create a design set for my parking lot because we've got two different things going on in this site. We've got grade checking and grade setting, and then we've got parking lot layout, for example. Okay, so I'm going to take everything that's on my parking layer, all the lines and points, and that's going to go to my parking design set. I'll create another one, and I'll call it site grades. And this time, I only want the lines here. As well as my surfaces. So I'll take the finished grade. If I wanted the existing, I could put it in the design set as well. And then I will send those up to SiteLInk. Okay, so once those are uploaded, I can define my task for this. So I could do a new task and we'll assign the parking lot design set to that particular task. I'll create a second one for the grades and I'll assign the site grades design set to that task. Okay, number one, all of that data will now be available inside of SiteLInk. I can turn those on and see the data here in the cloud. I can come to the site information and copy the discovery ID. This is what will allow me to connect Pocket 3D to that site. So inside of Pocket 3D, I can go to Data, Sites. We will add a site, and this is an existing SiteLInk 3D site. We copy in that discovery ID and enter that passcode we defined in the beginning and successfully add the SiteLInk site to our field controller. Yes, I wish to change to a new site. And there's the data for the parking task. Or I could switch over to my 3D grades task. And have access to all of that information as well. Now, that's a high level quick look at the workflow that ties all of the TopCon ecosystem together, utilizing the cloud solution, in this particular case, SiteLInk, to connect Office to cloud, cloud to field with a bi-directional data flow. So anything that's done here in the field, whether it's in 3D MC or in Pocket 3D at this point, can be synced all the way back to the office. For more details on this or other workflows, please log into your My TopCon Now account and see the content that's available for TopCon and Magnet users today.